Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how to insert Python code into a Word document. Let's suppose we have got this Python code and I would like to insert it into a Word document. So I'm going to copy this code and then go to my Word document, click on Insert, Object, and then Open Document Text. Once I click it, it will open another document. I can copy the code here and close the document, and it will be in the original document displayed with the same format as it was in Visual Code. This code is in dark mode. Let's suppose I would like to have it in light mode. So what I can do is File, Preferences, Theme, Color Theme. I can select from built-in light themes. For example, I can choose Light Visual Studio. So again, I'm going to copy the code and then Insert, Object, Open Text Document, and my code is here in the light theme. I can do the same for a Python file as well. For example, I've taken this setup file from MyPy and I've just downloaded it. So if I open it, I can just select all, copy, and then I can go back to Insert, Object, Open Document Text, paste my code here, and then close the document. And you can see the code is here with exactly the same formatting I have in VS Code. You can test for more themes by going into Preferences, Themes, Color Theme, and then clicking on Browse Additional Color Themes. And you will be able to see many different themes to choose from. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.